Invisible words. Do you recognize this cyberpunk baddie? We don't either. AI art generators are all the rage nowadays, which makes it hard to get a reliable known cover image. We know you'll figure it out. The suspect is believed to be trafficking in classics. That probably won't help crack the stego, but we hope it will give motivation to bring this criminal to justice. All right, something doesn't quite add up with this image. How's the image quality? All right, so download the image, and we see all this noise, and then I guess the cyberpunk image thing. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this into CyberChef. And so there's the image. Now what I'm going to try to do is split the image into the different color channels. Let's see, where is that? Split color channels. All right, so there's red and green. Okay, so it really looks like something suspicious is happening at the bottom of the image in the red and green color channels. Right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this in a hex editor. And let's look at the BMP file format from Wikipedia. Okay, so the BMP file format tells us that we have a header of 14 bytes, and the pixel array, byte 0A tells us where the pixel array is. So it says 8A, so our pixel array starts here. That says PK. It's a little strange. PK reminds me of the zip format. So when we look at the zip file format, it should begin with PK34. So there's PK, and there's 34. So if we remember from our splitting it into color channels, it could be that we're getting red, green, blue. Let's look at the properties for this. Okay, so that's interesting. Normally you just have red, green, blue, but the bit depth here is 32, so they must be doing RGB alpha encoding. Okay, so red, green, blue alpha, red, green, blue alpha. So let's just write a Python program, which I'll have over here. And we're going to skip those 8A bytes and just read 2 at a time and then skip 2. So we'll skip 2, read 2, skip 2, read 2 until we get to the end of the file. All right. So now we have a zip file. Our zip file appears to be broken. So I'm going to use another forensics tool, binwalk, to just try to walk through the zip file and see what it can find. And so it found zip archive, so that's good news. So let's actually grab it. And we've got another zip file that looks broken. And let's see what this is. Looks like base 64 maybe. Frankenstein test.txt. Okay. A lot of text there, which is the text of Frankenstein. All right, let's see if we can find maybe the flag in that. And there we go. Word dog, you found something. Let's see, Shelley's masterpiece. All right, there we go. So there's our flag. And again, big picture, we looked at the colors in CyberChef. We saw that the red and the green channels were probably including the stego. We extracted those from the file with a small Python script, and then used binwalk to actually get the zip file data out because it was a corrupted zip file somehow.